The 2015 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, remote engine start, traction control, cruise control, power brakes, compass, power windows, trip odometer, fog lights, trip computer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.